Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. The topic that I'm discussing today is hibiscus, most beautiful plant types. Hibiscus or goodal, as it's popularly called in India, is one of the easiest to grow plants for the Indian climate. Let's have a look at the most gorgeous type of hibiscus plants to grow. Before starting the video, here's a quick flashback on hibiscus flowers. Aphrodite. The light pink color of the flower makes this hibiscus stand out from the rest. It is a somewhat compact variety that typically grows around 8 to 12 inches tall. Blue River. Blue River is a vigorous woody hibiscus that features five-petaled white flowers. The flower has a short lifespan and does not last for more than a day. Lord Baltimore. The hardy hibiscus showcases red blooms with large petals slightly overlapping each other. The flowers have ruffled edges and bloom only for a single day. Kopper King. The Kopper King cultivar plants flowers exhibit funnel-like flowers. Its blooms are light pink along with contrasting red veins and a dark red eye. Berry Awesome. Berry Awesome features ruffled pink lavender flowers with deep crimson eyes and white anthers. The plant blooms from midsummer to early fall. Cranberry Crush. The plant has claret red flowers with overlapping petals. These vivacious blooms set an ideal background against the maple-like green foliage. Luna Pink Swirl. Luna Pink Swirl hibiscus blooms pale pink flowers with burgundy eyes. It is a hardy perennial plant that grows up to 5 to 7 feet tall, bearing 6 to 8 inches wide flowers. March Madness. Repeatedly blooming from summer to fall, the March Madness produces showy dark magenta flowers. Its olive green leaves are reminiscent of maple leaves in shape. Midnight Marble. Midnight marble hibiscus is a popular for its rich red flowers that bloom from midsummer to early fall. Its glossy lobed and green leaves appear in spring that turns deep purple later. Flower of an hour. The flowers unfurls only for a section of the day, also known as Venice mallow. The flower of an hour bears pure white blooms with contrasting black eyes. Hibiscus Tricolor. As the name suggests, Hibiscus Tricolor shows an abundant mix of pink, white, and blue flowers, along with contrasting vine, red eye. Secret Heart. The flowers of the secret heart are either pink or red shades. Interestingly, during summer, the blooms attain a blue color. Exuberance. The hibiscus cultivar is a cross between saffron and fireball cultivars. The flower comes in multiple shades of orange, red, yellow, and pink shades. Beach Beauty. The hybrid cultivar showcases a stunning blend of yellow, white, and candy pink hues with alluring red eye. It's a cross between Stolen's Kaise and Acapulco Gold. Knaf. Knaf bears 3 to 4 inches wide and single red flowers. This hibiscus variety is famous for its fiber that is used in making many products. Sclerate Rose Mallow. It has a palm-like lobed leaves with a toothed margin. This herbaceous to semi-woody perennial white flower produces light, large, crimson shade blooms that unfurl only for a single day. Black Dragon. This flower is known for its unusual beauty, as the petals are flushed in dark purple to burgundy color. Its dark shade sometimes looks almost black from far. Bluebird. The cultivar earned its name due to its blue-violet petals with deep violet throat at the center. It blooms abundantly from the summer till late fall. So friends, if you like the video, press the like button. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the new videos and updates. Share this video with family, friends and relatives. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.